Good day to all prospective employers in Hong Kong. My name is Rachel Damiano Bayaca from Maananteng, Solsona, Ilocos Norte. I am 36 years old. I am 149 centimeter. I am single and I don't have kids. I am high school graduate and I am a Roman Catholic. I work as domestic helper in Oman in 2 years. I serve 6 members in the family. 6 years old boy and 7 years old triplets. I also work as a domestic helper in Saudi Arabia in 1 year and 4 months. I serve 4 members in the family, 2 adults, 1 year old boy and newborn baby. My duties are taking care of the baby, taking care of the children, washing clothes, cleaning the house, cooking foods, ironing, gardening, marketing, and laundry. I'm willing also to cook Chinese food, and I'm willing also to take care of pets. To my future employer in Hong Kong, please hire me as your domestic helper, and I promise to do my best to do my duties and responsibility. Thank you, and looking